And first up, the big update of the hour with regards to the Delhi explosive blast. News9 has in fact accessed exclusive visuals of the suspect, shedding new light on the ongoing investigation. Authorities, in fact, are currently reviewing the footage to gather crucial leads. News9 has accessed the exclusive first pictures of the suspect behind the Delhi blast. The images show the man driving the car used in the attack with its number plate HR26CE 7674 as it enters a parking area. That's the very man. Shweta is back with us on the broadcast. Shweta, anything latest that you might have gathered through your sources since you're there on the ground?
We are closer now to the spot. I'll ask my camera person to pan and show you in just a few minutes from now. But we are of course way closer than we were earlier. We are about 100 meters away from the blast site, and we do know people have been going in and out. Authorities have been going in and out. Various teams have been investigating, including forensic teams who have been on site. NSA, sniffer dogs, NIA has been on site. Delhi police personnel are deployed here in heavy number. Now there is of course barricading towards my left there, and a plethora of camera persons as well as media persons. They are of course trying to get the latest that is emerging from ground. There is also tenting around the area so as to protect the site of blast and protect
any further contamination. We are given to understand that various teams are operating within that tent to try and pick up whatever remains of humans, of bodies, of vehicles, to send them back to labs and to conduct a thorough forensic investigation. So we continue to be here, of course, and we continue to track all the movement that is coming in. And as I said, it's a heavy barricading there, and a number of people gathered here since morning. There is, of course, presence, heavy security presence. Nothing latest when it comes to the accused who has been identified, as you mentioned a couple of minutes ago, as owner of that Hyundai i20 car. We'll try and get more details on that as well. But of course, the latest that is emerging from ground, there is a lot of hustle and bustle here. A lot of people have gathered here, including media persons, to try and bring you the latest that is emerging on the field. This is that very site where that blast took place at 6:50 last evening, and since then, authorities have been put on high alert. Many places have been put on high alert. Just as of this morning, we are also given to understand Mata Vaishno Devi Shrine has been put on high alert. The national capital, of course, is on alert since last night, including Bengaluru, Mumbai, Lucknow, many parts of this country. It's a crucial time, of course. It's the second phase of elections in Bihar today. So on the backdrop of all that's happening politically as well as socially, it's a very sad day that we are waking up to. And every morning, a silence, of course, descends at Red Fort. This is supposed to be area which is a cultural capital of national capital as well as India. It represents so much of us. This is exactly the ramparts of Red Fort from where every 26th of January the national flag unfurls. And this morning, it's seeing hordes of people gathering, but for all the wrong reasons, trying to ascertain what happened here and what resulted in the death of 8 people as that car exploded at one of the intersections here in the Red Fort metro station area. All gates have now been closed. As I mentioned, there's heavy barricading, and people, of course, trying to gather here, including media persons, to ascertain what happened here, Sakshi.